The best feature phone of 2024. Subscribe. New touch and type smart type 4G keypad mobile phone. Yes friends, I will tell you about this. But today's smart touch and type keypad mobile phone I'm going to present to you. Friends, this is the wire of your mind. Friends are definitely going to shut on it. It will blow your mind, guys. I'm very impressed with it. Also, friends, I want to impress you too. Give us look and overview and every detail that you want to know before purchasing. So friends, if you are interested in the request of the video, you must watch till it the end. Let's see its first look and overview and details and some specification. The best thing is that friends who have been given a 3.8-inch screen, you will be able to operate it with touch, so no doubt with the look and overview. This keypad mobile phone is a great looking 4G keypad mobile phone. Let's check complete specification. If you want to buy it, I will give you some detail how to buy it online after the specification. You can order it online from Alibaba.com in India and everywhere. So hopefully, if you need more information related to it, then friends must ask in the comment section as well as by liking and sharing the video, and please subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon for notification. Thank you.